Hello dear all beautiful students, welcome all to our today's session once again. I hope so that you are getting well after long vacation, and you know that very within short time, not having the 1 week also, your second short monthly test will be going on there. So will be started. So it is needed to take the good preparation, since as a class teacher I have given you the all sum up of the syllabus, all subjects. So according to the syllabus, take the good preparation as you demand for in the exam. So today chapter 2 we already started, and it is also belonging to have that the syllabus. So SQ types of question, from there we will try to learn something. So we will go through understanding about who discovered mitochondria, in which year, number 2, what is plasma desmata, number 3, we will go through understanding why mitochondria is called the powerhouse of cell. Why mitochondria is called the powerhouse of cell. Number 4, what is chromoplast? Number 5, where there is leucoplast present. Number 6, which organelle known as that 3 question can asking for carbohydrate factory, protein factory, traffic police, of cell, all of them of cell. Okay. Number 7, Golgi body originated from where or which part of the cell, you can write about and tell about that one. So my dear students, look at here. Every time we are going through some important questions chapter base, though now I started the SQ types of, though we have completed the total books according the topic based study, but now we are going through the SQ types of question. Then we will try to go through the CQ types of question, and then we will go through the MCQ types of question with having the test paper preparation of different school board exam question. So on the going of our step, we already completed many of the chapter with their SQ types of question. That was in previous time study, you can know about that. So On the basis of that category, we are going through the chapter 2, though we have taken another class that was also a SQ based chapter class on chapter 2. So here, very first time, that is asking for who discovered mitochondria in which year. I know that many of the students, you know, this is the very short question or easy question look like very easy question, but in your book this question answer is given wrong. Okay, wrong, specifically the year of mentioning that one. So I will make you understand about that. Yes, many of you are joining, I have seen. Very good to see, my dear students. Arnob, good morning. Salihin, alaikum salam. Jawad Kurim watching, Jawad Kurim alo, alaikum salam. Kajim, alaikum salam. Aryan, alaikum salam. Kausar, alaikum salam. Rapsan, alaikum salam. Safiur, alaikum salam. I hope so that the students you are connecting here, it will be very helpful for you, and always I love the sincere students who are joining there. Who discovered mitochondria in which year? Very common and easy question answer for this one. We know that Benda is commonly, we know about that, the Benda, but in your book it is given 1998, but correct answer will be 1898. So if you have book in front of you, cut that one. It will be not 1998, it will be 1898 is the correct answer. But in your book it is given 1998. Don't miss this one, because NCTB book you think that it is the basement of you, but if it is a mistake, so you need to correct this one. Benda discovered the mitochondria in 1998, not 1898 is the correct answer. Okay, so my dear student, don't be mistake about this one. Second question, what is plasma desmata? Yes, very common question, and it is asking in the SSC exam also, in many term exam also you can see this one, that what is plasma desmata. Sometimes the students can missing out about the plasma desmata. Plasma lemma, they match with the plasma lemma. Yes, of course, this connecting with then on. Plasma desmata. Desmata is the line. Okay, line, and plasma is the fluids. You know, fluids passing through that line with the intercellular connection. Suppose two cell is connecting there. Okay, two cell connecting there, and their fluids and other liquid substance needed to passes through where, through which part? Plasma desmata. So what I say, you can mentioning that one. Plasma desmata is that ensuring or connecting part, they can ensure the fluids and other substance through intercellular space. So it is very important. I told you, you can write this one. Okay, connective part you can write in short form, connective part. Not only connective part, if it is asking for, you can write connective part that can ensure the fluids and other necessary liquids and substance through intercellular space. Okay, this one is important, and it's also a 2 marks question asking for, but the students not give the satisfactory answer. They write, oh, lots of power they can carry, so it is the power of the cell. Oh, they can energy product, ensure the energy production, so they are called powers of the cell. No, my dear students, no. If you write only these types of answer, the answer will be not acceptance. Okay, and not getting the full marks of you demand for. Powerhouse, why it is called the powerhouse? Because of some, okay, I write here, because of some features. Of course, yeah, must be this one. All kinds of energy production and physiological activities. Controlled by controlled by mitochondria. Controlled by mitochondria. All kinds of energy production and physiological activities controlled by mitochondria, and also have Krebs cycle, oxidative photophosphorylation, photophosphorylation, fatty acid cycle, ETS. Look at here. If you want to get the 2 marks, so you have to write the informative information. Okay, all kinds of energy production and physiological activities controlled by mitochondria, and what kinds of energy production they can ensure inside the mitochondria. Krebs cycle can be occurred, oxidative photophosphorylation, fatty acid cycle, ETS. All of the energy production cycle, energy production process, energy production or productive system can be controlled by mitochondria. So mitochondria is called the powerhouse of the cell. So if you want to go through understanding about that, the normally I can write in very short form, okay, that power contain, energy contain. No, you will write this way for getting the 2 marks if it is the 2 marks question. All kinds of energy production and physiological activities controlled by mitochondria, especially the energy production cycle like Krebs cycle, oxidative photophosphorylation, fatty acid cycle, ETS can specifically or specially controlled by mitochondria for energy production. So they are called powerhouse of the cell. After energy production, they can store in it and also supply and provide if it is necessary for any cellular activities. So this time, this way we can say they are called the powerhouse of the cell. Yes. Now another one, chromoplast. What is chromoplast? Many time we asked about the chloroplast, but what is chromoplast? Chromoplast, if it is asking for the chromoplast, yes, narrow thread of cytoplasm which passes through cell wall. Okay, some of you try to write something. Very good to see. Okay, chloroplast, you know the green pigments, so it is the colorful pigments. Not only asking for that one, the colorful pigments. Chromoplast is the colorful pigments bearing parts that have ensuring the colorful part of the plants like flower. If you see, the leaves is also not in green color but other different color, there is also have the chromoplast. Okay, so chromoplast is the colorful pigments. Colorful pigments that can ensure the colorful petals, flowers, colorful leaves, colorful part of the plants. If it is asking for which way, you will go through that one. Where there is leucoplast present, where there is no sunlight gone, leucoplast is present there. Since this is not the green and colorful parts, it is no color, so that leucoplast present in roots specifically, and sometimes in bark, lower bark. Sometimes in lower bark there is no color. Where there is no color, actually leucoplast, where there is no color, leucoplast is present there. Root, there is no chance of sunlight going on there, but bark you can see, sir, sunlight can come. Yes, some lower bark cannot enrich with the sunlight and no color have seen there, so lower bark is also the part also not colorful pigments, so leucoplast is there. So this one is very important. And now the very important MCQ types of question, not only for exam here it is also for very important for any kinds of exam, MCQ related exam. Carbohydrate factory, which organelle known as carbohydrate factory? Can you give the answer? Carbohydrate factory. I have seen the different time the question asking for carbohydrate factory. Carbohydrate factory, Glen plastid, which converts solar energy to chemical energy. Of course, the colorful. I gave the answer or no. Okay, very good to see you're trying. Yes, I want to tell another one thing, that is which one or which part is known as the carbohydrate factory. Many of you thinking many of the things, but the correct answer is Golgi body. Golgi body is known as the carbohydrate factory. Why they are carbohydrate factory? It is not mandatory, but I will just tell you in short form. They can added some carbohydrate chain in the glycoprotein with them. So this is not mandatory for you. Just remember, it is asking for 1 mark. Carbohydrate factory, Golgi body is the carbohydrate factory. Protein factory is the ribosome. We know ribosome. And traffic police of the cell is also the Golgi body. Golgi body. Golgi body is originated from which part? Endoplasmic reticulum. It is especially in the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, because there is two kinds of endoplasmic reticulum. One is the pigmented, like the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. From the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body can be originated. Every topics, every chapter, when I go through the SQ, it is a sequential way we are going through. Any class miss, you can missing the lots of SQ types of practice. So waiting for the next class, we will go through another new session with having the new SQ types of question from chapter 2 that was previously practiced, and previous chapter we have completed like that. So my dear student, since you have not enough time for short monthly test, second exam online test will be going on there, so take good preparation and stay safe, stay sound. Allah Hafiz.